Today I'm giving away some not yet available Chestnut Bright Coat Metallic paint from Rust-Oleum. One of the things I love about the Rust-Oleum run website Creator Studio is that they give away a ton of product to try out before it's available to the general public. Recently they unveiled 2 new colors in their Bright Coat Metallic line in a weekly giveaway, and I won some. I thought I would get a can or 2, but when the box arrived, it was 6 cans. I won't even need 2 for the project I'm using it for, so I thought I'd pay it forward and give a couple of cans to some of you. All you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel and leave a comment in this video. I've given a couple of cans away to local maker friends, and I'm going to send 1 can to each of 2 winners. Each one of you gets a can of Chestnut Bright Coat Metallic paint. There's a link in the description if you'd like more information about this paint and all the colors currently available. And you've got until the end of the day, March 30th. I'll post the winners next Saturday, the 31st, in the video for the project I made using this paint. Thanks so much to Rust-Oleum and Creator Studio. I'm Dave, and thanks for watching Feeding My Maker Monkey. Just want to take a moment to thank my new subscribers in the last week, Toff's Home and Shop, Jack of All Trades, and the Top Water King. Thanks so much to all 3 of you and to all my subscribers for watching. And be sure to leave a comment below to win the giveaway.